Want to know how to set up your DigiFantasy account? Let me show you how quick and easy it is to sign up and start playing. Go to digifantasy.com and click sign up in the top corner. Enter your info, your name, email address, and contact details. Confirm, and your account is ready. Then choose your plan. The Fantasy Bundle $59 a month gives you access to all the research tools. The AI Sleep Generator, $299 a month, builds profitable sleeps for you automatically. Once you select a plan and finish payment, your tools are unlocked instantly. From your dashboard, you can immediately see the latest plays, value picks, and ready-to-tail sleeps. In less than 2 minutes, you're ready to start. Hit the link in my description, create your DigiFantasy account, and start playing smarter today.